Hey y'all, it's me, Slayed by Jordan. All right, y'all. Today we are working with one of the OGs, Alipearl hair. Let's first look into the goodies that they sent inside the box. They sent me this beautiful 30-inch deep wave 13x4 HG lace 250% density wig. It is so beautiful. The lace is so thin. It is pre-plucked to a T. The lace is a full 13x4. It's super soft. It comes with your adjustable straps and combs. It's a perfect wig. Let's get into this install, baby. Off camera, all I did was bleach the knots. I did not pluck a single hair out of this wig. So shout out to Alipearl for the super pre-plucked hairline. I enjoyed that. I'm adding that Ruby Kisses of 14 on the underside of that lace. And we're just going to position this wig on my Muse head. Today we're using my Muse burr. Let's get into this install. I'm going to just quickly sew this wig down, and then we're going to peel back that lace and start applying and smoothing back our adhesive. Make sure you smooth back your adhesive as thinly as possible, and make sure you apply your adhesive in the shape of the person's natural hairline. Today we did 4 layers. Make sure that each layer turns clear before you apply the next. That last layer has turned clear, so now it's time to lay that lace down. We are blow drying that lace, interchanging between warm and cool air, and we're going to do that for about 30 seconds to a minute. And now we're going to tie her lace down using our ultimate melt band for about 10 minutes. You can do this air drying, or you can sit your client under a medium heated dryer. Those 10 minutes are up, so now it's time to take off that melt band. And as you can see, the lace is already getting melted down. But now we're about to cut off that excess lace. We are done cutting her excess lace, and as you can see, it's giving scalp and the wig is secure. It is not going anywhere. Today, our style of choice will be a side part with baby hairs on each side. So that's what we're doing right now. We're taking our wax stick and putting that all over the hairs surrounding the part. We're going to define that part using our meek little parting comb to make sure we have a very sharp, precise part. And we're going to hot comb everything into place. We are, in fact, doing baby hairs today. I know I haven't did them on my channel in a while, so you are in for a treat. I just feel like with curly hair, you gotta do the baby hairs. Like, it just completes the style. I just love baby hairs with curly hair. So we're just gonna do 2 on each side. So I just parted those out, and I'm gonna do the other side off camera. Today we're using our OG Straight Request Hair Flex hairspray to melt this lace, which is already pretty much melted. We just want to give it that extra oomph. And after we lightly spray that all across her hairline, we're going to tie it down again with our ultimate melt band. Make sure whenever you're doing any type of wig that is a lace front wig that you take a thin row right in front of that last track at the top You want to take a thin roll out of the frontal and you want to hot comb that over that last track. That way you don't have any tracks showing and everything is just smooth and seamless. We are done molding her hair and hot combing it. Now it's time to take off that ultimate melt band. As you can see, melted, melted, melted. Now we're just gonna hot comb those baby hairs, cut them with our eyebrow razor, and curl them upwards using our Red by Kiss pencil mini flat irons. We'll be using our Influence Honey Almond Styling Foam to do our baby hairs. This is the foam that I use all the time. I've been using it for years on my baby hairs. This is the best foam to do your baby hairs with. Like, this is like a must-have. This is like the best foam I've ever used. And now we're going to tie down those baby hairs with 3 mega wrap strips. After being up under a hot dryer for about 20 minutes, we're going to take those wrap strips off. And these are the baby hairs before we customize them. And now that they're done being customized, we're going to take our Clear Out Root Touch Up, nice and easy. This is in the color dark brown, I think a number 2. And we're just going to define her part and make it more clean looking. I didn't use the number 1 jet black because I didn't dye this wig jet black. This is the natural color that the wig comes in, and I wanted to match that. And we're going to seal that off with some even hairspray, but we're not done just yet. After we blow dry that hairspray into place, we're going to take our powder and we're just going to lightly tap that in her part to make it even more defined so that it's visible and, you know, it's not being concealed by that black, you know, root touch-up color. And then we're going to seal that off again with some even hairspray and blow dry it till it's dry. Do not touch this while it's wet. It will transfer. And now we're going to tie down her hair again once more because we're about to wet this wig down to define the curls. Inside my misting spray bottle, it is just water. We're just going to first fully drench the hair with water, and then we're going to brush it out with our paddle brush. And now after the hair is fully wet, we're going to take our Cream of Nature foaming mousse, then we're going to put that all over the hair, and then we're going to comb that out using a wide tooth comb this time. We are done defining her hair, and let's get into this beautiful deep wave wig.
Boy, I've been watching you.
I want to give a shout out to Alipearl Hair for sending me this beautiful 30-inch deep wave unit. Make sure you check the description box below to see how you can pick up your own. I will have all the information and links below. I thank you all so much. Goodbye.